Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to customize your website's header on Wix and really make that first impression pop, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create and fully edit your own header, giving your site a sleek, professional look that truly stands out. Let's jump right in and I'll walk you through every step. No matter your skill level, you're going to find this easier than you think. Alright, first things first, let's create a brand new site. On your Wix dashboard, click Create New Site. This might sound basic, but it's the starting point for building anything in Wix. Think of it like laying down the foundation for a house before you start decorating. Once you're in the site creation menu, you'll see a bunch of template options, but for this tutorial, choose Studio Blank Canvas. This one gives you the most flexibility, allowing you to make the header look exactly how you want without any preset limitations. Give it a second to load up depending on your internet speed. This part might take a few moments, so don't worry if you see a spinning wheel for a bit. Once your workspace is loaded, you'll notice a few basic sections set up for you. Most importantly, you'll see a header area at the top of the page. This is the section visitors see first on your site, so taking the time to make it look just right is super important. Now, let's start editing that header. Click directly on the header section, you should see it become highlighted. From here, you can change the site name or text to whatever you want. For example, if you're making a photography portfolio, you might want to call it Jane Doe Photography. It's all about making the site immediately recognizable as yours, so type in something that represents you or your brand. Next, let's personalize the logo. Click on the default logo or placeholder in the header. A menu will pop up giving you the option to add your own logo. This is a great spot to upload your custom graphics or even just a simple image that helps express your website's theme. Don't have a logo yet? No worries, you can always come back and add one later, but I recommend doing it early on so you can see how the whole header comes together. Now let's enhance your navigation. Go to the Add Element button, usually on the left side or in the editor's toolbar. Here, you can insert a menu into your header, which makes it easy for users to find their way around your site. Drag the menu into place and feel free to rearrange it until you like how it looks. Want to add a call to action? Head back to the Add Element menu and drop a button into the header. This can be really powerful. For example, you can have a button that says Contact Us or Shop Now, depending on what matters most for your site. Once you have your elements in place, look to the inspector pane, usually found to the right. Here, where you can change the header's background color, swap in an image, or even tweak the transparency. Small tweaks here make a big visual impact. If you're feeling adventurous, try adding a scroll effect to your header. Maybe it stays pinned at the top as visitors move down the page, or maybe it fades for a modern touch. Don't be afraid to experiment. There's lots of room to play until everything looks just right. And that's it, you've fully customized your Wix header. Take a moment to preview your site and make sure everything looks the way you want. Remember, you can always go back and tweak things, so don't stress if it's not perfect right away. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop your questions or experiences with Wix header editing down in the comments. I always love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.